Hey bread lovers, ready to transform your kitchen into a bakery with minimal effort? Today, we're unveiling the top bread machines of the year that promise fresh, mouth-watering loaves right at home. Let's get baking and discover your perfect match. As always, you can find all the product links mentioned in this video, provided right in the video description and in the pinned comment down below. Starting with our top budget pick, the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is an outstanding option at just $130. Despite its affordable price, this machine delivers full-size loaves while occupying significantly less counter space than most other full-size bread makers. Ideal for small kitchens or counters cluttered with gadgets. It boasts a space-saving design and a sleek, modern stainless steel finish. Weighing in at just over 10 pounds, it is both easy to move and convenient to store. Following that, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is perfect for smaller households or those who prefer mini loaves, priced around $300. Ideal for students, singles, couples, or anyone who only needs a sandwich or two worth of bread at a time. This compact machine produces 1-pound loaves and fits comfortably in smaller spaces. Despite its petite size, it still offers many of the features found in full-size machines, ensuring you don't have to compromise on quality or versatility. Second on our list is the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker, a fantastic choice for those who love advanced features and are serious about their baking. Priced at around $300, this versatile bread maker offers a range of functionalities to elevate your baking experience. Key features include automatic and custom programs, allowing you to tailor your baking process to perfection. The pause function is particularly handy, letting you reshape dough or add a glaze before baking. Additionally, you can store up to 9 personal recipes, making it convenient to recreate your favorite breads effortlessly. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is capable of producing 2.5-pound loaves with a variety of options to suit different dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're making gluten-free bread, yeast-free bread, a crusty loaf, dough for pasta, or even jam, this bread maker has got you covered. Its versatility and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for any home baker looking to enhance their baking skills and create delicious homemade bread with ease. The crown for the best bread maker goes to the top pick overall, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker, priced at $400. This standout choice is perfect for the serious home baker, who will appreciate the extensive features and options packed into this machine. The Virtuoso Plus offers 15 different pre-programmed courses, catering to a wide variety of bread types, including basic, whole wheat, gluten-free, and more. Each course allows you to choose between light, medium, or dark crust, providing flexibility to match your preference. Additionally, you can create custom programs to tailor the baking process to your unique recipes. One of the key features of this bread maker is its dual kneading paddles, which ensure that all ingredients are thoroughly mixed, leaving no bits of flour unmixed. This results in a perfectly textured loaf every time. The machine also includes a 13-hour delay timer, allowing you to set it up in advance and wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread. A large viewing window is integrated into the design, letting you monitor the progress of your bread as it bakes without having to open the lid and disrupt the baking process. With its robust feature set and attention to detail, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is an exceptional choice for any home baker looking to elevate their bread-making experience. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the best bread machines of this year. We hope our insights have helped you find the perfect match for your kitchen needs. May your home be filled with the delightful aroma of freshly baked bread, and your baking adventures be ever successful. Happy baking! Thank you for watching. You can learn more about these excellent products by following the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.